proud of this car. We built the whole car. We tune it. I tune it. He does all the suspension work, so I trust him. Whatever he sets, I let go of the button and it goes straight every time. Samantha Moore from Brighton, Michigan. We own a shop up there called Vector Motorsports, so we work on all the late model performance cars.
Specializing in Fords or?
No, we do Mopar, GMs, and Fords, but I'm particular to coyotes. So I don't know, I started out with a Camaro, started modding that, then I built this to be like a fun daily driver, and then this turned into a race car.
I noticed you were even wrenching on it, so you get your hands dirty too.
I do. I actually built it with the help of my business partner, but we recently just took out the motor and put it back in. The crank broke, unfortunately, so it took out everything inside. We had to rebuild the whole motor, and we do it all in-house in a week. Got it back in the car, got it running. Had a blower failure, then had to replace the blower, and we just got that back yesterday morning, put it on, and this is the first test pass we made, and it went really well, so I'm like really happy right now. Well, we weren't like expecting anything out of it. I just wanted to make an A to B pass, like keep it safe. I haven't made a pass since it broke, and it did a good wheelie. Went out, it felt really good. I knew it was gonna be quick, but I wasn't sure it was gonna be that quick, so. It is the personal best for this car in NMRA, like trim, 100%.
And what class do you run?
Limited street. So most of the time when we come to the track with the Holley, we can make a full tune in 2 passes it takes us to get the suspension down and the tune down, and we're ready to rock. And this car in Joliet was like a bracket car. It was consistent. I knew what it would do. I trusted the suspension. If the track changed, we made a minor adjustment, and I just sent it, and it was on its way. And I mean, we tune it, we check the plugs, we do all the stuff you're supposed to do. So, Holley EFI. So, I had it in the Camaro. When we put it in that, he taught me how to tune on it. So we were able to tune the Camaro off of it. It made like ways. I tune every day for Vector on the dyno with stock ECMs and like HP tuners and stuff like that. But with ECMs, when you're really pushing the cars, there's limits. So I just fell in love with it on the Camaro. It made life way easier. You can push it farther. You can have way more control over it. Timing, feel, everything. I put it in this car this winter, and it's like the best thing I did to the car, for sure, 100%. I will only run Holley EFI, I love it. So I'm addicted, it's easy to tune, the data's great, everything about it is just great. So I recommend it for everybody. Yeah, I'm glad Holley's here this year, so it's definitely a lot peppier this year already, I can tell. So I think it'll be a good time, I'm excited.
Are you in the points?
Right now I think number 6. This is the 4th race out of 6 I've made. Everybody ahead of me and below me has made over 4 races, so I want to get top 5, and that's my goal, and some heavy hitters up there, so I want to push this car. I really need to win to make top 5, so that's what I'm going to try to do. And so I think first year coming into a class that a lot of these people have been here for years, I wanted to make a statement. We did, and we won too. The 3rd race in, we won. I wasn't expecting that, but I don't know. Next year I plan on being at 5 or 6 races. I'm going to be in the points next year for sure, and I'm going to be going for a championship. I ain't going to give up. So I'm like in it.